Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving this is your device. Unlock with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode, because iOS requires local authentication to show passwords. Once done, open Settings and tap Passwords. You may get an Apple ID prompt. Make sure iCloud keychain is on so saved credentials exist. If you expect the iCloud/Apple ID password itself, note, Apple does not display that plain text. Instead, you can reset it via account verification when necessary. Now you find the specific credential. After authenticating, use the search field at the top to enter the site, app, or email tied to the iCloud-related account. Scroll the results and tap the matching entry. This opens details showing username and the saved password masked. Tap the eye icon to reveal it after another quick authentication. Make sure you read the context so you're viewing the correct account and not a similar entry. To finish, tap the eye icon to reveal a saved password and copy or use autofill immediately. Make sure to lock your device afterward and remove clipboard contents if needed. If you don't find the entry, check Settings your name iCloud keychain on all devices to ensure sync, then pull down to refresh. If you need the Apple ID password itself, do not expect a plain text display. Instead, follow account recovery or change the password through Icloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.